नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम जेवी एंड डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ शालाक्य तंत्र, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है क्लेफ्ट पैलेट। तो क्लेफ्ट पैलेट को समझने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको समझनी होगी एम्ब्रियोलॉजी। Palate is formed of primary palate and the secondary palate. As you can see in the image, there is a primary palate of triangular shape in anteriorly, and posteriorly there is secondary palate. Primary palate is a structure that it is formed by the two maxillary and two medial nasal processes, and that separates the developing oral and nasal cavities. Secondary palate is a structure that is formed by two palatal processes, the outgrowth of the maxillary processes. Then comes the embryology. The development of facial structure starts at the end of fourth week. Five facial prominences around stomatotium. These are unpaired frontonasal process, paired maxillary prominences, paired mandibular prominences. As you can see in the image, there is a growth of the palate in the 7th week, 8th week, and the 10th week development. Then definition, the cleft is a fissure or opening gap. A cleft palate is an opening or split in the roof of the mouth that occurs when the tissue doesn't fuse together during development in the womb. A cleft palate often includes a split in the upper lip that can occur without affecting the lip. The clefts can also affect other parts of the face, such as the ears, eyes, cheeks, nose, and forehead. Here's an image of the normal palate on the left side and the cleft palate on the right side. In the right side image, there is a cleft in the soft palate and cleft in the hard and soft palate. Here's an image of the normal palate, partial cleft palate, and the complete cleft palate. Incidence cleft palate is present in 1 out of 1000 live births. Considering the cleft deformities, 50% are cleft lip and cleft palate both. 30 to 35% is cleft palate only, and 15 to 20% are cleft lip only, more common in girls. Causes are exact causes unknown. There are environmental factors and the genetic factors. In the environmental factor, fetal exposure to cigarette, alcohol, smoke, certain medications like oral contraceptives can cause problems. In genetic factors, parents pass on the genes that cause clefting. Symptoms are difficulty with feedings, difficulty swallowing with potential for liquids or food that come out the nose, nasal speaking voice, chronic ear infections, small aligned teeth, growth retardation. Complications are feeding difficulty, ear infections and hearing loss, dental problems, speech difficulties, psychological challenges. Then feeding difficulties, one of the most immediate concerns after birth is feeding, as cleft palate makes sucking difficult or cause gagging or nasal regurgitation. To overcome this problem by using a special bottle nipple or a small artificial palate that fits into the roof of the mouth. The upright sitting position allows gravity to help the baby swallow the milk more easily. Second complication is the ear infections and hearing loss. Babies with cleft palate are especially susceptible to middle ear infections. Ear infections are often due to dysfunction of the tube that connects the middle ear and the throat. Over time, repeated ear infections can cause damaged hearing, but hearing loss may resolve with treatment. It's important for children with cleft palate to be evaluated regularly by an audiologist. Most children with clefts have tubes inserted in their ears to drain fluids and help prevent infections. Third complication is a dental problem. If the cleft extends through the upper gum, tooth development will likely be affected. A pediatric dentist should monitor tooth development and oral health from an early age. Fourth one is the speech difficulties. People both the lip and palate are used in forming sounds. The development of normal speech can be affected. A speech pathologist can evaluate your child and provide special therapy, speech therapy. Fifth one is psychological challenges. Children with clefts may face social, emotional, and behavioral problems due to differences in appearance and the stress of intensive medical care. These are the types of cleft lip and palate. On the left side, there are cleft lip, unilateral incomplete, unilateral complete, and bilateral complete. On the right side, there is the image of cleft palate, incomplete cleft palate, unilateral complete lip and palate, and bilateral complete lip and palate. The treatment is cleft palate repair by the age of 12 months. The time of operation, general agreement exists that surgical correction of a cleft palate should be accomplished when patients are younger than 1 year, before significant speech development occurs. The aim of repair is separate the oral and nasal cavity. This separation involves the formation of a wall that is necessary for normal speech. Also, the muscles at the back of the palate need to be put in their proper place across the cleft so the child can learn to speak normally. There is an image of before surgery, and right side there is an image of the after palate repair. So this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. So I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it.